It's getting to be that time of year, so today, us at Ready Set Viral are going to be talking about beach day DIYs. Let's head into it.
Number 1, keeping your water cooler longer. For this one, grab your water bottle that you're going to bring to the beach and fill it halfway up with water. Then turn it on its side and put it in the freezer until it is ice. When you take it out, you can pour your water into the water bottle now and it will stay cooler much longer.
Number 2, never lose your beach towel. If you want to go for a swim but fear that your towel is going to blow away, all you need to do is use your fingers to dig into the sand with your towel to create a rolled corner under the sand. It'll keep your beach towel down and you'll never lose it.
Number 3, no more sand all over. We all know the struggles of leaving the beach covered in sand, but a good way to prevent this or be prepared is to get a sock and fill it with baby powder. Make sure you use an elastic to tie it off, and once you're leaving the beach, if you rub your legs and your arms with this, you will have no more sand on you. Number 4, beach chair. Did you just get to the beach and forgot your beach chair but brought your towel? All you have to do is dig a small hole in the sand and build up a small backrest with the sand. Then, if you place your towel over what you just did, you'll be able to have a comfortable seat.
Number 5, an easy way to hide your money. If you don't want to leave your wallet unattended while you go out for a swim, all you need to do is bring a hairbrush to the beach. Any hairbrush will be able to take off the bristles and slip inside your money or cards so that no one will want to take your hairbrush while you go out for a swim. Number 6, no more sand on your belongings. We all know the trouble of having sand all over your towel. So for this one, all you're going to need to bring is a fitted sheet. Place your backpacks or coolers around the 4 corners and bring a bin to put some water in on the 4th corner. Then place a towel next to it, and once you enter the fitted sheet, you can wipe off your feet and it is absolutely perfect. Number 7, DIY cooler. If you don't have a cooler or any ice packs, all you need to do is get a Tupperware container and line it with some foil. Then, get some Ziploc bags and sponges and fill the sponge with water and freeze it. You'll have some DIY ice packs as well as a DIY cooler. Number 8, DIY bikini top. If you've just arrived to the beach and realized you forgot your bikini top, all you need to do is get your bikini bottoms and a string. First, place the string through the bottom and place it over your neck and cross it along your back. Then, string through both of the sides of the bottom and tie it around your back. You have a DIY bikini top and you can wear the shorts you came with. Number 9, DIY life jacket. This one is great if you don't have a life jacket and you still want to go to the beach and swim. You're going to need 2 mesh bags, and first get 2 Ziploc bags and using a straw, blow up both of the Ziploc bags. Place them into the mesh bags and then using some strings, string together the top and the bottom of the bags. Now you'll be able to have a DIY life jacket, no problem. Number 10, DIY bathing suit. All you need is an old pair of leggings. Any color will work. First, you're going to cut off the legs like so and place them inside the waistband and sew them on. Then, placing the bottom of the pant legs together, sew this as well, and you now have a full-piece bathing suit. Number 11, chocolate dip. This one is banking on a really hot day. When you get to the beach, take all of your food out and make sure to bring a chocolate bar. Once you're ready to eat all of your fruit with some chocolate dip, open the chocolate bar and it'll be melted so that you can have some amazing fruit. Number 12, drink holder. All you need to do is, before you go to the beach, get a pool noodle and cut 2 equal pieces and hot glue them together. Then Using an X-Acto knife, cut a circle into the middle and you'll have a floating drink holder. Number 13, chair hack. We all know the struggles of being at the beach and your chair keeps sinking deeper and deeper into the sand. All you need to do is bring 4 Pringles caps to place under the legs of your chair. Once you do that, you'll never sink further and further again. Number 14, keeping your towel down while tanning. We all know the struggles of having your towel flip up and getting sand all over yourself. For this one, you're going to need to bring 4 Ziploc bags. Once you want to tan and keep your towel down, fill the bags with some sand from around you, and it'll hold your towel down for as long as you want. Number 15, easily fix your flip-flop. We all know the struggles of having your flip-flop break like this. All you need to do is get the top of a pop can and place it under your flip-flop and put it through like so. You'll be able to have a fixed flip-flop in seconds. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!